Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've done a brand new 2019 Range Rover Evoque. Customers obviously a bit paranoid about them stealing the car by cloning the key, so we fitted this Autowatch Ghost. How the system works is very straightforward. Every time you jump in the vehicle, you turn the ignition on, you don't put your foot in the brake, and you hit a sequence of buttons. So on this one here we've done something very simple. So ignition on, insert the basic code on here. We've used this 1, 2, 3, 4. Indicators flash twice. There you go. Foot on the brake and start the vehicle. Very straightforward. Very covert. When you turn off the ignition, 3 seconds thereafter, the vehicle will immobilise. So if I now just jump in, put my foot on the brake and try and start it, like so, you see it won't start. Okay? So sequence is ignition on, no foot on the brake, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, foot on the brake, and then start it. Also, if you wish to take the car for a service or a car wash and you don't want to disclose the code, you can basically put it into valet mode. And the way you do that is ignition on, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash. And now if you hit the cancel button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you'll get 5 flashes. This is now in valet mode, so as soon as I turn off the ignition and leave it for 5 seconds, turn the ignition on, try and start it, you'll see the vehicle start. There you go, straightforward. When you receive the vehicle back, to take it out of valet mode, just again, very basic, same standard procedure, ignition on, standard code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash. It's now out of valet mode. Also, you have the facility to change the code if you wish to, but because this is exactly the same as the brand new Velar, if you refer to our other video, the Velar, that will show you how it's done, or the Range Rover Sport Hybrid. Very straightforward. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0208 906 0478, 0208 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.